Hi, I'm Jessica Last, and I work at the Natural Resources Defense Council's office in Santa Monica, California. We are a LEED Platinum building, which means that our building is water efficient, energy efficient, and meets a number of other guidelines that make it a very clean and healthy place to work. And I'm going to give you a little bit of a green tour of some of the high points that makes our building a green building. So these doors in all of our bathrooms are actually from recycled milk jugs, which is a very unique feature about our office. We are on the top floor of NRDC in Santa Monica's office, where we have a number of our solar arrays where we collect 20% of our building's energy. We end up offsetting about 80% of our energy by buying wind credits from outside of LA, but we're an entirely renewable energy dependent building. And when we are not here on the weekends, when we don't have as many staff members in the building, we actually end up giving power back to the grid through our solar array. So we're up on NRDC's terrace. It's the third floor of our building, which is a LEED Platinum building. And one special unique characteristic about the building is that we have these individual pavers on the top of our roof, where when it rains in Santa Monica, the water will collect between these two pavers and collect down to our gray water recycling system that's located in the basement of our building. So this is poplar. It's a type of wood that we have throughout the building, which is actually a very sustainable wood, and we have it in 60% of the building, and it's a wood that grows really quickly. And where we get the wood is actually from a sustainable forest, where they don't cut down the entire forest of trees. They actually do sustainable harvesting to get the wood that we now use for our stairs. Right now we are in NRDC's gray water filtration center, where we collect water that's fallen on, when it rains, it falls on the terrace, and we collect it through the pavers on our top roof area. And we also collect water in these trough areas right next to our office, where we have landscape that just naturally collects the water, and it'll percolate through down to this filtration system, where we sterilize the water and we make sure that the water is sanitary to be used when we flush the toilets in the office. And basically we recycle a lot of our water that way. So we're here in NRDC's Morton conference room on the third floor of our building in Santa Monica, and I'm sitting in one of the couple dozen chairs that we have that are made out of seat belts. And what we did was we worked with some manufacturers, car manufacturers, who had extra seat belt material, and we just made them into chairs, and they're actually pretty comfortable.